Okay, so here's the memory. Notice that there is a notch in it that is off center. And here's the slots on the board. First thing you want to do is to push the tabs back. That opens them up so that the memory can fit in. When it goes in, it snaps in place. And then next, you want to line up that slot, because if you put it in the other way, it doesn't match up. So it goes like that. You just line it up there and up there, and give it a firm push, and it pops in. That one didn't pop in. There. You want both of those tabs to snap in place. And that's it. And to remove them, just do the opposite. Pull the tabs back. Sometimes they're difficult. And then pull the stick straight up. And then back in. That's it.